Hi everyone, today's video I'll be showing you how you can use eToro. So in order to use eToro, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So in order to use eToro, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end, follow the instruction as guided. So first thing first, you'll have to create an account. So in order to create an account, open up a browser and then on the web address bar, you'll need to type in the link that is etoro.com/news and analysis. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below. So after that, you'll be taken to its official page. This is how it's gonna look like. So in order to begin or to use eToro, first of all, you need to create an account. Unless and until you don't create an account, you won't be able to use it. Now then, you can see right on top there are two different options, that is login or sign up. So if you already have an account, then tap the login button, enter in your credential and login into your account. So, and if you don't have an account, tap the sign up button. So this is one of the first steps in using eToro. So as soon as you click the sign up button, you'll be able to see different options. So you can either go ahead and create an account with your Google account or link in your Facebook, or you can simply go ahead and enter in your email address as well. So I'm going to go ahead and tap the create now account button. So I'm going to create with the email address. So first of all, you need to provide in the email address that you wish to register it to your eToro account. After that, you also need to create a username and then a password as well. After you're done creating a password, make sure to go through the terms and conditions and click the create account button. So in order to verify your email address, a verification code has been sent to the registered email address. Now open up your Gmail and then check for the verification code. As you can see right on top, there's the verification code. So all I need to do is just copy the verification code and then paste it right over here. After you're done entering the verification code, tap the active now button located right at the bottom. So this is going to take you to the other interface where it's going to show you that you've successfully verified your email address as well as that you've successfully created your eToro account. After you're done creating your eToro account, now you can explore all of the features and facilities available on eToro. So that is how you can use eToro account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.